Great day. My name is Sachi, aka Voice Sachi. I'm from batch 27 of Certified Voice Artist program, and we just finished the week 4 program last Saturday. And now I just want to share with you my experience with Certified Voice Artist program. Pag sinabing Voice Artist program, unang pumapasok sa isip natin, tuturuan tayo mag-modulate. Paano mag-record? That's all. But here with Certified Voice Artist program, in 4 weeks, you will unlock your potential skills as a voice artist. Hindi lang typical na pagboboses ang tinuturo nila dito. Ang Certified Voice Artist program ay nagbibigay ng iba't ibang klaseng assignments kada week. So, dito nila matitingnan kung may natutunan ba or effective ba ang pagtuturo nila sa iyo. At of course, hindi turo rin nila dito kung paano alagaan ang iyong boses. Hindi mo magagawa maging successful sa pagboboses kung hindi mo rin alam kung paano alagaan ang boses mo. So yes, meron silang topic na gano'n. Last week ng training, tinuruan kami kung paano maging aware sa mga fraudster or scammer. You know naman, nowadays there's a lot of fraudster, scammer, especially sa pakikipag-deal sa mga potential clients. So you need to be aware kung sino nga ba ang totoo at sino nga ba ang mga scammer. And regarding sa assignments, it's not just about completing the assignments. They will check the quality as well. Kung sino ba yung mga tips na binigay nila during the discussion. So if not, may mga mentor na gagabay sa inyo at magsasabi na kung ano yung mga dapat mong baguhin sa mga assignments sa pinasa mo. Actually, here in Certified Voice Artist program, yung mga topics nila, para ka na rin nag-enroll ng short course ng mass communication. Kasi hindi lang pagboboses ang tinuturo nila. Hindi lang typical na pagbo-voice over, voice act, o voice dub, kung paano deliver yung words. Hindi lang siya tungkol sa ganon. It will really unlock your potential skills in just 4 weeks. Yes, in just a span of 1 month, madidiscover mo na kaya mo pala ganito. Kaya mo pala magsulat, kaya mo mag-record, kaya mag-vlog, blog, and also video editing. If you graduate with Certified Voice Artist program, di pa doon nagtatapos sa lahat. Actually, that will be the beginning of your journey as a Certified Voice Artist. Diyan pa rin sila sa'yo nakaalalay. So, it's not the end. Actually, 3 to 5 minutes video is not enough to tell you kung gaano kaganda with Certified Voice Artist program na wala sa ibang program. So if you want to experience this intensive training sa pagboboses, join Certified Voice Artist program. You may message their Facebook page at Certified Voice Artist program. Wala nang overthink. Join na!